Hey everyone, how's it going? So I'm sure most of you guys and girls have heard about the movie Sharknado from the Sci-Fi Channel. So I thought it would be kind of fun to show you guys how to draw a picture of a cartoon version of Sharknado. Now, to start off with this, we want to make it so there's like a twister with lots of sharks coming through. So to begin, we're going to make a little shark up here. We're going to keep it very simple. So to start off, you just want to draw a little line that's just going to curve down, and then it's going to come back like this. Then, starting up here, make a little line that curves up, and then it's going to come down for the fin of the shark. Next, draw a little line that goes down. I'm going to put a little triangle on it. And then we're going to make a little line that goes down farther. For the tail, you just want to make a line that's going to curve. Then it's going to come back like this, and it's going to go right back up, kind of like a little moon shape. Then you're going to draw a little line that's just going to curve up. Then right here, make a V shape for the fin. And just connect this line. Next, draw a little line that goes down and up for a little V. Now, for the mouth of this shark, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to curve down. Then it's going to curve up and down here. Add some teeth in here on the top and the bottom. I'm going to add an eyeball right there, and then a little dot for the nose up here, and just a couple little gills. So there's one little shark. Now let's put another one down here. We're going to add a curved line right here. Then you can draw a line that curves up and then comes back for the fin. Draw a little line that goes down with a little triangle on it for the back fin. And then another little line down. Now for the tail, draw a little moon shape. Then you want to curve this up. Add kind of like a curved V shape for the fin. And then a little line that's going to curve up. Next, draw a line that goes in, and then curve it out. I'm going to draw this line up and then just have it run right into here. And then same details, add some sharp teeth. We're going to add an eye, and then a little dot for the nose, and a couple gills. Now, up here, I want to add one more little shark. I'm going to add a little line that curves down, and then we'll put the fin. We're going to make this one a little bit smaller. Draw a line down, put the little triangle. Nice kind of big moon shape for the tail. We'll run it right to this one, and then add the little tail there. Draw a line down. Make that curved V shape for the fin. And then this time we'll come up here, draw a line, make it go out, and then just kind of bring it to here. We'll add some teeth. Then add the eye and a little nose and some gills. Next, what we want to do is we want to add the kind of tornado look to this to give that Sharknado feel. I'm going to start right here and draw a line that goes out, and then it's going to curve in. Then I'm going to add another line here. It's going to do the same thing. It's going to curve out. Put another one here and just curve it right in, and then we'll make one more that goes out a little farther and then back in. Next, just kind of curve this line and add another curve here and then one that goes to here. Now this is important. You want to kind of line up this line, go above the shark, and then just bring this up here. And I'm going to curve this around to about there. Nice long line to here, and then we're just going to go right down to the top of this shark. Then I'm going to add a few more little curved lines here. And then I'm going to just add a few more. And I want the tornado to kind of twist around. So I'm going to add a little line right to here. And we're going to just kind of curve it around and then down to here. Now I want to add just a couple more little details into here. So right out here I want to have like a little hammerhead shark sticking out. So I'm going to draw two lines. Little line that goes up. It's going to go over and then it's going to go down with a curve. And then same thing, down and then curve around. Going to add an eye right here and then an eye right here. Then we'll add a curved line for the mouth and curve it back. Put a few teeth in there. Now up here, let's put a little shark fin. So I'm going to draw a little line that goes up. It's going to come down. I like to put a little notch in there and then put it down like this. And then it's always good if you have like an odd number of things in here. So I'm going to add a little tail right here. We're just going to add a little line out. Put a little shark tail that kind of curves up and down and then goes right back in. And then finally I want to have it kind of coming out of the water. So I'm going to add some little curved lines right down here just to make it look like it's coming straight from the ocean. Then finally you can come in here and just add some extra little lines everywhere. And these just kind of help make the twister look a little bit more like twisty and everything. Give it a little bit more detail. Oh, accidentally went to the shark, that's okay. And then you can always add some extra little curved lines out here. Sometimes people like to add a few extra lines like this, just to make it look like it's really spinning. And these are just some extra little things you can do just to give a little bit of detail. Might put one more right here. And we'll put another one there. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Sharknado. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.